quarters for the pellets. So cut you get a 4x4 pellet, right? Or 4x40.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put 4 of these 2 feet high, and that's gonna make our planet. Same as we used on the plywood.
So 1 3/4 inches. Just being. These were all temporary. Permanent solution.
Here, so it keeps the soil inside until it packs. Like once that soil packs, it won't come out anymore.
Okay.
Now you can use landscaping cloth too, right? But this is biodegradable and cheap. Perfect. Grab a handful of nails if you want.
I certainly could. Louise, you got all sorts of stuff in there. I like that better. The advertising on the inside.
Yeah, I thought about that as a...
Yeah. Oh, good. Let's just show everybody. You know. Oh yeah, we have liquor here by the case. Sure.
You guys drink a lot.
Yeah. We're gonna have to go higher. You got nothing to nail that to. There you go. Doing? You asked me to hold nails. I have to look like I'm doing something.
It's true.
Got the boxes from the recycling center.
Yep. Just a habit.
I know.
Hard to stop the habit.
That's okay. That's why I'm here to remind you. Oh, one little piece. One more little wafer. Can't live with it because it was crooked. Thank you. I don't know what you did with your hammer.
Looks right.
Yep.
Let the soil firm up. Like once you put the soil and all the stuff in there, it's loose. But once it's in there for a while, you could probably take these, after a year or two, you could take these walls off and it would stay. It would stay a cube for a while. A couple layers on there will keep the grass from growing up. What people use, they'll use old carpet too, you know, that jute back carpet.
Really?
You throw it down in there.
Huh.
If you do driveways and stuff, they put the carpet down first.
I did not know that.
It'll let water.
We're all about cheap.
We're all about cheap. You want to be able to get around 360 degrees, and you want a pathway between them, right? So you can, like if you do this, it's hard to get through it. Taking off grass and stuff, you gotta be able to get rid of the grass and have a pathway. I'll put stuff down over top of this, and we'll just gravel it. It's easier to maintain. You can mulch it too. You don't need the grass, but you can mulch it.
But we have gravel and it's cheap.
Well, yeah. I mean, it was $130 for 5 yards. I mean, it wasn't expensive.
No. Uneven or just shorter?
It's just follow what Pallet said. You gotta put something across the top.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm gonna put a wide board all the way across the top and use something to attach it to.
Okay.
Road. Soil from these tubs will all go in there.
Once the growing season's done?
Yeah.
I'll bring the level.
down quite a bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, be nice if they were square.
Well, it's
It's more pleasing to the eye.
pretty good for that one. Not bad considering the pellets are all different sizes.
Mm. So hammer on cardboard, is that like a patented technique?
It is.
Oh, I'll just save them because they're still good.